2787 Willow Bend Court in Crestview, Florida. Let's check it out. As we enter, we're greeted by a beautiful fireplace and mantle, large living area. Let's check out the bedrooms down the hall first. So we have bedroom number 1 with a large view, large window with a view of the front yard. Your guest bathroom with a shower tub combination. Bedroom number 2 with a large walk-in closet. Let's see if we can get some light on it here. Large walk-in closet in bedroom number 2. All right, back to the living area. So here we have our beautiful kitchen. You've got your dining area there. Plenty of cabinet space. Check how beautiful these stained cabinets are. Nice, very good condition. Lots of counter space, lots of cabinet space, lots of storage, all steel appliances. Bedroom number 3 is a converted dining room. So this could be converted back if you wanted it to be a dining room again. You can do that. Now here is the primary bedroom. Plenty of space for your king bed. Vacuums. The floor's just been vacuumed. You got a beautiful view of the backyard. And here we go into the primary bathroom. Large garden tub, double vanity sink, your commode here. Dual closets, so you've got your one walk-in closet here, your shower stall, and number 2 walk-in closet. So everybody's got their own walk-in closet. Let's check out the Florida room. So fun fact is the roof was just replaced in 2024. Septic has just been replaced in 2024. Or excuse me, the septic has been pumped and inspected in 2024. The septic has not been replaced. It has been pumped and inspected. Excuse me. Beautiful sunroom, tiled. And excuse the noise out here, the neighbors using the leaf blower. So here we have a large backyard, plenty of space, plenty of side yard. Double gate there, you can pull your boat in. All brick home. And a nice side yard over here too. Just a terrific sized lot. You have plenty of backyard, plenty of front yard. Beautiful shaped window display. So this has been our tour of 2787 Willow Bend Court in Crestview, Florida.